Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Fiat 500 speedometer. First, ensure your car is off and the key is removed. Then, adjust the steering wheel forward using the lever underneath. Next, carefully insert a plastic removal tool into the dashboard sides to release the clips. Gently pry and remove the dashboard cover. Finally, unscrew and disconnect the central console controls and the radio unit. With the dashboard cover off, you can now access the instrument cluster. Locate the screws that secure the cluster display in place and carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire cluster unit from its housing. Be mindful of the wiring. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector located at the back of the cluster to fully free the unit. Now, to get to the speedometer itself, use a Phillips screwdriver to undo the rear screws of the instrument cluster. Carefully release the side buttons and then pry off both the front and rear covers of the cluster. Disconnect the FPC and the small middle display connector. Finally, gently act on the clips to remove the RPM and speedometer needles, along with their overlay. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps you just followed, ensuring every screw and connector is securely fastened. Double-check all connections before fully snapping panels back into place. This ensures everything functions correctly. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.